Today's tip is home inspection problems. Getting an inspection on a property is a standard part of the buying process, so you know exactly what you're getting into. An inspection gives you a good idea of the condition of the house and if there are any problems or big repairs needed. Every buyer and seller hopes that the inspection will come back with a gold star and that everything will be good to go. But sometimes that doesn't happen. Now, what do you do? If you're the buyer, you'll work with your agent to negotiate repairs with the seller. You'll tell them what's wrong and make a request for them to fix it. After you talk with the seller, they could agree to fix the problem or offer to reduce the purchase price so you can make the repairs yourself. This is why you should always negotiate if repairs need to be done. However, the seller also has the option to decline to make any fixes or offer repair credits. Negotiations could go back and forth for a while, but usually the buyer and seller will come to an agreement. However, sometimes the sellers won't want to do any repairs and stall the negotiation. Buyers, this is why it's so important to be ready to walk at any point in the buying process. You could save yourself from getting stuck in a bad deal, but most of the time, inspection problems are handled quickly so that the sale could move forward. With a great agent on your side, you'll be able to make the most of the inspection and negotiation process, so you know you're getting into a good deal and a good property. So are you ready to buy or sell? I'm Harpreet Christie, your professional real estate agent with RE/MAX of Lloydminster. Let's chat.